In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy A16. Go in settings, scroll down, go in advanced features, tap on one-handed mode. Now to enable the one-handed mode, simply tap on this toggle. One-handed mode is enabled in my device. Now let's check it out. I will simply double tap on the home button. As you can see, one-handed mode. Now if you want to go on the home screen, then again double tap on the home button. If you want to turn off one-handed mode, then simply tap on this toggle. Now let's check it out again. As you can see, one-handed mode is disabled. So this is how you can turn on and turn off one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.